Hi guys, welcome to Vinny's Artisan Journey. Today is such an exciting journey as we will be exploring how to cook Sichuan spicy mala chicken hot pot. This is such a food of pleasure as I guarantee you will eat more than one bowl of rice with this super appetizing dish. We need half free-range chicken here. You can use only drumstick part as you wish. Marinate the chicken pieces with 1 tablespoon of soybean paste, 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce, as well as 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Add in 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, and 2 full bottle cap of Shaoxing wine. Make sure to stir well to combine all the seasonings and allow to marinate for at least 2 hours. Heat up 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in the wok. Drizzle in 2 tablespoons of extra virgin sesame oil. Add in 1 tablespoon of Sichuan peppercorns. These Sichuan peppercorns, I have slightly crushed them with the mortar and pestle. The purpose of crushing them is to release their aroma to the fullest. Now sauté them until fragrant. When the mala flavor is being released 100%, pour in 1 cup of the pre-soaked dried chilies. Add in the slices of young ginger to stir fry together. Now is the time to add in all the garlic cloves, add in more oil if you find it's necessary. Now is the time to add in half cup of the shiitake mushroom which we have pre-soaked earlier. Now I'm adding in half onion wedges to stir fry together, and I'm reserving the remaining 1.5 onion to be added in later. My kitchen is full of spicy mala aroma now. Add in the marinated chicken pieces. Stir fry them together until all the aroma is being released. Add in 2 cups of drinking water and let it simmer under medium heat. Add in half cup of the carrot slices. When the water has been reduced, add in 1.5 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Lastly, add in 1.5 bottle cap of Shaoxing wine. Add in the rest of the remaining onion wedges at this stage. Add in the spring onions, turn off heat and serve immediately. Voila! My Sichuan spicy mala chicken hot pot is here. Let's eat! Thanks for watching Vinny's Artisan Journey. If you like my video, please click to subscribe and please hit the notification button so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Till then, bye!